back, everybody. We've got Luke and Garrett with Bring Home Denver, your local real estate experts. And we wanted to just cap off the first quarter of 2022 and talk to you about what we see is coming down the line.
So it's been a pretty insane market so far. Very favorable to sellers, obviously. Inventory at an all-time low. Buyer demand is through the roof. However, some writing is on the wall and some changes are coming.
Yeah, I think everybody knows that interest rates are going up. We started out the year at about just a little bit over 3%. We're already at 4.5%, and that's the first of 6 interest rate increases that the Fed is talking about this year alone. And so gone are the days soon of record low interest rates. And what does that mean for buyers?
Well, for buyers, higher interest rates means less purchasing power, right? And for every percent, I mean, you could argue that you lose $100,000 of purchasing power. So with 6 more rate increases forecasted for this year alone, the time is now.
Absolutely. Your buying power just goes down. Now, if you're selling, it unfortunately is also not great news for you, because when buying power goes down, prices stagnate. And in this market, buyers right now are doing everything they can to get into houses because they know their buying power is going away. And so we are seeing offers through the roof right now. We are seeing buyer activity like we've never seen before, and that's going to start to dry up. And it will also culminate with competition coming on the market. As we head into late spring and early summer, more and more people put their houses on the market. And so sellers are going to be hit with kind of a 1-2 of interest rates going up and less buying power, and then more homes on the market. And so that will lead to less favorable offers, less favorable conditions, and just a general less great selling atmosphere.
So if you're thinking about selling, I mean, we always say March 1 to late May is that kind of that sweet spot, that great window. That hasn't really changed. However, there is some data indicating that you're going to see more people selling in April to take advantage of less inventory on the market in May, if that makes sense. There should be less competition a little bit earlier than before.
And I know that we always say now's the time to buy or sell, but usually in a market, if it's good for sellers, it's bad for buyers, or vice versa. The main point we want to get across is when interest rates go up, the only person that wins is the bank. Sellers lose, buyers lose, and so it truly is a good time to transaction in either direction. Keep that money out of the bank's hands.
And don't forget, real estate always appreciates. So whether you're buying or selling, now is a great time to do so.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us. It's good to see you, and we'll talk to you again soon.